In this, we have to be next, and the last topic of this third chapter is public-private partnership, that is also known as PPP. That is PPP model. This can be newly launched by the Modi government. So this is a public-private partnership, the new topic. Public-private partnership. Public-private partnership describe a government service or private business venture which is funded and operated through a partnership of government and one or more private sector enterprises. These schemes are also referred as PPP or 3P or PPP. In other words, a government organization and the private organization together on a project, it is known as a PPP. There is word any project. While this any project refers that public-private partnership is to be done for a separate or a individual projects. While these products are finished, so the public-private partnership also be finished. So for the other projects, they again starting a public-private partnership. For any big bridges, road projects, and any big projects which are to be run by a government, they need the public support also. So these types of organization increase the funds as well as the goodwill of the government. So these types of partnership are to be specified for a specific project that is known as PPP. Mainly the features of these types of enterprises are: first, contract between public sector and the private sector. First of all, there is a legal contract between the government as well as the private party. So this is PPP is contract between public sector authority and private party, in which the private party operates a public service and the bearing a finance technique and the operating risk. The next is contract between, the next is cost of using service. In some type of PP, public-private partnership, the cost of using service is borne by users of service and not by the taxpayer. And the example of this type of project is the toll plazas of the road projects, where these are highways and the road projects are there, where we all are paying our taxes while moving the four-wheelers or personal transportation we are using, or private, whatever they are paying the cost of that services. Some of the cost of the providing service is borne wholly or privately by the government. The next is provision of capital subsidy. Provision of capital subsidy means the project that aim at certain public goods in infrastructure sector. The government may provide a capital subsidy in the form of the one-time grant to make it more attractive to the private sector. In some cases, government may provide revenue subsidy, including tax breaks or tax subsidy, by providing guaranteed annual revenue. The next is pertaining to high priority projects and public welfare. While these types of projects are to be done only while the high priority of services, public-private partnership is suitable for high projects such as infrastructure sector. Public-private partnership is used in government projects targeted at public welfare. For example, Delhi Metro. And the next point is sharing of revenue. While in this, government as well as public share their revenues The revenue of public-private partnership is shared between government and private enterprises in agreed ratio, and they develop the infrastructure development and earn a suitable amount, and that can be paid by our users of these types of services. Thank you.